Hi everyone, my name is Jing Heng. I've been suffering from hand eczema since primary 5. So throughout the period from primary 5 till now, till beginning of 2016, I've been using your typical steroid creams and moisturizers, which didn't really help much. My two worst flare-ups happened first when I was in secondary 2, and the other time when I was nearing my ORD, which was around end of 2015. So during both periods, I actually healed my eczema naturally through just eating really clean and watching my diet. So those helped, but what I feel is that these kind of approaches aren't really realistic for most people who are out there, because firstly, most people don't have the level of discipline that I have. Okay, secondly, which is that it's quite a rigid regimen that I used to have to actually heal this eczema. So I feel that most people can't stick to it. So my last breakout happened actually just pretty recently in the end of May. I went to Nepal for an overseas community service trip. So back then over there, I couldn't really watch my diet and stuff lah. So that's where my eczema slowly came back and stuff like that. So when I actually returned to Singapore on the 29th, I thought that I would try Cerfrion, since the company Bambigi is really offering it at a very good price. And also partly because I bought an extra box. I actually bought 3 boxes. So it was supposed to be meant for my parents lah. But then because there's 1 extra box, so I thought that I can just try it out. So to be honest, I was pretty skeptical about this kind of natural food supplements even. Because to me, I heal my eczema naturally. So I thought that I didn't really need to take this kind of additional supplements and things like that. But then for me, I thought to myself, since I already had an extra box, why not try it? Because I know that Cerfrion, besides the potential eczema benefits, it can actually benefit the other areas of health. So I just took 1 box for eczema. So my dosage on the 29th to around 11th of June was 2 capsules a day. 1 in the morning before I eat my breakfast, and 1 at night before my dinner. So what happened was that during the first week, I didn't really see much significant changes. But from the second week onwards, the improvements were exponential. Originally when I came back, the skin was dry, flaky, and very inflamed. When you actually clench your fist, it's very dry and it's very pain. But now it's alright already. So it just took me around 2 weeks to actually see these changes. So I was pretty certain that Cerfrion actually helped lah. Yeah.